Do you think there's a purpose for play in children's development?
As a parent, I've always viewed playing as something fun, so I don't see how a child can learn through play.
As a parent, you may be wondering if your child simply plays all day in their preschool classroom without learning much. Therefore, it is important to evaluate the toys used in their environment. The Early Math Activity Center is much more than just a cute elephant game. It also enhances cognitive skills related to math. Who knew elephants taught math? Lakeshore's Early Math Activity Center features 36 elephants in a variety of colors and sizes, as well as 4 activity game mats for sorting, counting, and patterning. This game is fun, but also helps children develop cognitive skills such as problem solving, classification and seriation, as well as number sense and counting. Problem solving occurs when a child attempts various strategies to identify a solution for a situation or task. Classification occurs when children are able to group items by a particular property, such as by size and color, whereas seriation is the ability to arrange items in an orderly sequence. And number sense and counting refer to the ability to count while understanding one-to-one correspondence when counting. Now let's see how these cognitive skills are present at ages 2 to 5. At age 2, children can recite numbers up to 10, can classify by one property at a time, and can look at different aspects of a toy. At age 3, children can recognize numbers out of order from 1 to 10 and can recite numbers 1 to 20, as well as categorize through matching principles and are able to understand the function of a toy but unable to find a solution. At age 4, children can recognize numbers 1 to 20 out of order, classify by modeling observed behaviors, and use trial and error to find a solution. At age 5, children understand one-to-one correspondence, can classify by focusing on a single perceptual dimension and seriate independently, and create strategic plans to find a solution. Now let's look at the developmental differences between 2-year-old Susie and 5-year-old Yasmin when using the Early Math Activity Center. 2-year-old Susie is playing with the leaf counting activity card. She grabs one elephant at a time and places it on top of each leaf. Although she demonstrates engagement and persistence, she does not place the correct number of elephants on the corresponding numbers. Let's observe how 5-year-old Yasmin engages in the same activity.
1, 2, 3.
5-year-old Yasmin demonstrates her ability to count from 1 to 20 by reciting the numbers as she places an elephant on top of the corresponding number. Let's observe both of these girls again, but playing with a different activity card. As Susie plays with the color sorting activity card, she demonstrates that she can classify the elephants by color, which supports the development of her classification skills. Susie is also using problem-solving skills to look for the correct colored elephant in the basket to place on the correct spot in the activity card. As Yasmin plays with the color sorting activity card, she also demonstrates her ability to classify by colors. She grabs an elephant from the basket and then places it on the corresponding color on the activity card. After observing the different cognitive skill levels between Susie and Yasmin, let's think about how we can use the Early Math Activity Center to enhance these skills. Although the Early Math Activity Center serves as a tool to support the development of cognitive skills, parents and teachers can facilitate and enhance children's learning by modifying or incorporating new ideas into the game. For example, parents or teachers can ask questions to enhance critical thinking and problem-solving skills, as well as reinforce other existing skills. Children can benefit from explaining why and what they are doing while playing with one of the activity cards. This example will be illustrated by this next video clip.
Why did you put them like that?
Because
Loud.
it's because first you need to put small Second, you need to put medium, and third, you have to put bigger.
Other suggestions for parents and teachers include incorporating a book about elephants, colors, shapes, or numbers, and allowing children to engage in free play with the game in order to assess where they are developmentally. If you are looking for a toy or a game that is developmentally appropriate for your child, these websites may be helpful in providing you the information you need.